Hello friends. Today I am going to tell something about allergic rhinitis and its common homeopathy medicines. Allergy is nowadays very common health problem not only in the India but throughout the world. Our environment, our society, our lifestyle has been changed a lot in the last few decades. The spreading of industrialism, urbanism has put a bad impact upon our environment. There are various type of things to those our body reacts and it causes allergic reactions. Those substances are called allergens. The most common allergens are dust, pollens, animal danders, sometimes of foods like eggs, milk, peanuts, which are also causes allergic reaction. The common symptoms of allergic reactions generally we have frequent sneezing one after another, itching of the nose, there is watery nasal discharge, there is irritation feeling, burning sensation in the nose, itching of the ears, and there is blockage of the nose, congestion of the nose. Sometimes we feel tightness of chest, there is congestion of chest, there is feeling of breathlessness, asthmatic symptoms also develops due to allergy. These are the most common symptoms of allergies. Now I am going to tell some important homeopathy medicines which are very helpful to treat allergies. Uh, Two medicines, Sabatla and Arsenicol, those are the very good medicines which are generally prescribed for allergic with the symptoms of runny nose and sneezing. If there is most common symptoms of sneezing with a runny nose, we can give Sabatla and Arsenicol. Sabatla has more symptoms of sneezing and Arsenicol has the symptoms of sneezing as well as there is nasal discharge with burning sensations. So these two medicines, Sabatla and Arsenicol, are the very good medicines for the allergic problem which have the symptoms of sneezing and generally runny nose with sneezing symptoms. Another most important medicine is Allium cepa. Allium cepa is also have the same symptoms like runny nose, sneezing, and generally Allium cepa, the sneezing is frequent and there is tearing of the eyes, there is nasal discharge, but the nasal discharge in Allium cepa is acrid in nature. Acrid means there is burning sensation in the nose due to, at the time of there is nasal discharge and there is also watery discharge from the eyes. And in Allium cepa, there is allergic conditions. The allergy generally occurs in spring season. Suppose in spring season you have any allergy symptoms, then Allium cepa is the best medicines you can take. Similarly, another three medicines like Aurum triphinum, Orundo and Vaithya. These three medicines, Aurum triphinum, Orundo and Vaithya, these are generally given in allergy conditions where there is itching of the nose and itching of the palate. Palate means there is itching of the roof of the nose. If there is itching of the nose as well as itching of the palate, you can take Aurum triphinum, Orundo and Vaithya. As well as in Aurum triphinum, nothing, there is also another symptom like there is soreness feeling in the throat and there is hoarseness of voice also. So in case of winter season, generally I found it's it's very efficient. It's very effective in hoarseness of voice in due to exposure to cold air. I generally prescribe Aurum triphinum. Then another some important medicines I will give that spongia and pothos. When there is allergy with difficulty breathing, suppose you have allergy symptoms like you have allergic sneezing, you have runny nose, and if you have difficulties in breathing, then you can think spongia and pothos. Spongia is one remedy. We generally have the symptoms of difficult breathing, like you will feel that you are taking breath through a sponge. The key symptoms of Sanjaya that It has breathing difficulties with cough symptoms, and Pothos also have the same symptoms like difficulty breathing and cough symptoms. And another symptoms in Pothos is very good remedy for allergic conditions that generally caused by dust. So for dust allergy, you can give Pothos. Another most important remedies for allergy with cough are Bromium and Drosera. Bromium is another remedies which is very useful for the cough and asthmatic symptoms which are generally worsened in the sea air, in the sea beach. Drosera also another very important medicine for allergy which associates with cough, and the Drosera symptoms of there is cough. Generally it occurs in night time and generally after midnight. The patients generally, if he or she try to sleep, the cough will start, and there is tickling sensation in the throat, there is itching sensation in the throat, and the cough appears. So in allergy where there is cough symptoms, you can give Drosera. You can give also Bromium. There is cough symptoms with allergy, but in Bromium, Drosera, the difference is the Bromium can be given if the allergy symptoms and the asthmatic symptoms generally appear in the sea air, generally in the sea beach, with exposure to salty air. Another two medicine I will say allergy symptom associated with blockage of the nose. There is two most important medicines where there is allergy symptom associated with blockage of nose: Nux vomica and Ammon carb. Nux vomica and Ammon carb you can take or you can prescribe to those patients who have the allergy symptoms with the prominent symptoms of blockage of the nose. Nux vomica has the blockage of the nose, but the blockage generally it occurs in the night time, but in the daytime there is no blockage. But in Ammon carb there is severe blockage throughout the day and night, but in night time the Ammon carb blockage symptom of the nose is very prominent symptoms, and the patient cannot breathe through the mouth. Another also Ammon carb also can be given in case of nasal polyp also, because if there is nasal polyp, the patient is having the allergy symptom with the nasal polyp, there is bleeding from the nose, also you can give Ammon carb. Now I am going to tell some common homeopathy medicines which are given generally for particular allergens. For dust allergy, for strong perfume allergy, you can take histamine. Histamine is one of the most important medicines for dust and perfume allergy. And animal danders, animal dander is another key cause for causing allergy. For animal dander, you can prescribe tuberculum. Another medicines, phosphorus. Generally, the phosphorus generally is given the patients which are allergic to banana. The patients which gets allergy reaction by taking banana, they can take phosphorus. Another medicine, apismel. Apismel is generally given to those persons after any sort of insects, if bites, they develop the allergy reaction. The apismel can be prescribed. For wheat allergy, for bread allergy, you can give one medicine, Natramor. So Natramor is generally prescribed for allergy due to the bread or due to the wheat. Another medicine, sulfur, which is generally given for persons who are allergic to butter. Similarly, the persons with allergy to carrots, phosphorus is another medicines. Similarly, there are so many medicines which in homeopathics they helps to treat the allergy in a very effective way. And in homeopathy generally, if we are giving the proper homeopathy medicines to the allergy patients, it gives a long-term cure and helps the allergy patient to give a long-term cure. Thank you.